Hello gamers, in this video let's see how to fix S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2 Unhandled Exception Access Violation error on PC. Here is a step-by-step solution. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Verify game files. In Steam, right-click on S.T.A.L.K.E.R, go to Properties, click on Installed Files, then on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Run as administrator. Right-click the game or Steam and select Run as administrator. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are the latest version. Adjust launch options. Right-click on the game in Steam, go to Properties, and add S.T.A.L.K.E.R in Launch Options. Performance adjustments increase virtual memory. Go to Advanced System Settings and click on Performance Settings, and then go to Advanced tab to change virtual memory and set a custom size based on your RAM. Limit frame rate. Use NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon software to limit the frame rate for better stability. Lower display resolution. Temporarily reduce your screen resolution before launching the game. Adjust texture quality settings. Lowering texture quality in game can help with performance. Advanced solutions use Intel Extreme Tuning Utility. Lower the CPU core ratio slightly to reduce load during gameplay. By following these streamlined steps, you should be able to address the exception access violation error effectively. If problems continue, consider checking online forums for more tailored advice based on your specific setup. That's it for today's guide. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you.